Welcome to the Beginner Nikon Digital Photography course, where mastering your camera becomes an intuitive journey. This hands-on learning experience transcends rote memorization, helping you truly understand your Nikon DSLR. In this comprehensive course, you'll delve into the intricate world of photography with a fresh perspective. Unveil the secrets of exposure and discover how it enhances the visual aspects of your images. Gain mastery over aperture adjustments, grasping the nuances that dictate your choices. Navigate through the camera modes with confidence, knowing when to apply each mode for the perfect shot. Distinguish between depth of field blur and motion blur, breathing life into your photographs. With a commitment to clarity, this course empowers you to capture beauty around you effortlessly. Throughout the journey, including exercises, our experts ensure that you not only grasp, but retain the concepts. Perfect for beginners or those seeking to bridge knowledge gaps, this class shows you the full potential of your Nikon DSLR. Embark on your photography journey and watch your skills flourish.